So with your door unlocked, no matter how hard you press down on the handle, your door just won't open. It may even start happening with your inside lever as well. But the problem is not your front handle set, nor is it your inside lever. The problem is with the door latch. This is what the door latch looks like once it's removed. And this is the part of the latch that's your problem. This piece of metal up here that's worn away should look like it's twinned down the bottom. All right, so here's what's caused the problem. We're looking at the back side of the door handle set. And when I press down on the door handle, you can see that semicircle piece of metal rotating quarter turn. When I place the latch over top, watch what happens when that semicircle piece of metal rotates. It digs right into the problem area of the latch. This whole piece of metal over time has worn away, and as it wears away, the rotation is less effective. And watch here at the door latch. It should be retracting all the way in, and it stops short. I can assist it with my finger, and it should be stopping here. So the easy fix is to get a new one of these. You can find them on Amazon. Just type in adjustable latch. You'll be able to find a bunch of universal styles that should work with your handle set. But before you do that, call the manufacturer, especially if it's Weiser. They have a lifetime warranty on all mechanical parts. I simply called them up, explained my problem. They agreed to send me a new latch, but when the box arrived, they sent me a lot more than that. But really, this is all I'm after. Now I'll show you how easy it is to get this thing inside of here. Now it's going to show up looking like this with a strike plate attached, depending on how your door was installed. You can see with mine, it doesn't have that. Just need to insert a flathead screwdriver in between the two and remove it. To change the latch, you're going to have to remove the front handle set, but it's all done from the back side. I'm going to remove the lever and the bottom mounting screw. On this Weiser lock, for the lever, just peek in behind and you'll see an Allen key. Loosen that and the lever will slide right off. Just takes a few turns. And then with a flathead screwdriver, be careful not to scratch the door. Just pop this plate off. Behind the plate, you'll see two Phillips screws that are holding the top part of the handle set in place. Before we unscrew up here though, I find it easier to remove the bottom screw first. Super easy to do, just pop off the cover with a flathead screwdriver like we did above and remove the screw. Then we come back up top and remove these two screws, releasing the lever mechanism from the front handle set. Really good idea to have someone on the outside holding the handle set. Once these two screws are removed, it'll be free to fall out.
Now that you no longer have a door lever to open the door, just push back on the latch mechanism with a screwdriver and it'll open. And once again, with a screwdriver for assistance, you can push the latch right out of the door. And here's a great side-by-side comparison. The old latch being on the left, you can see all the metal that has been worn away. Make sure to reuse the metal shim from the old latch and use the metal sliders to adjust the length of the new latch. Then insert the new latch into the door. And with your helper holding the handle set in place, reinstall the hardware in the reverse order that we removed it.
Let's see how it works now with the new latch. Smooth as butter. Beauty. Hopefully this video helped you fix your door problem at home. Any questions, leave them in the comments below.